Tim Ferriss tells us how to make money automatically, or the so-called autopilot mode. To make money without effort, you should review the tasks you do, and then decide what you can delegate and what you can use external sources to do it. Today, it is not difficult to hire reliable assistants to do daily routine tasks for you. Delegating day-to-day responsibilities and operations to assistants will save you so much time, and then you can reduce your working hours to an ideal 4 hours per week. Tim Ferriss wonders why hiring assistants are only for wealthy financiers and entrepreneurs. Tim says, "I'm not a big company owner, I'm just a writer working from home, but that doesn't prevent me from hiring assistants and giving them some of my daily life tasks." Tim mentions that he started hiring assistants when he hired Hani. Hani was a girl who worked as a remote virtual assistant. Tim knew her through an employment website, after noticing the amount of commendation Hani had received from a number of well-known companies that she had previously worked with as a remote virtual assistant. Tim says, "What attracted me to Hani was her positive response and her willingness to work on adaptation in order to meet the requirements of the work and reach the results that would satisfy me. And after my successful experience with Hani, the thing evolved and I had a support team that takes care of my professional life and follow up on my work and daily tasks. My team also supports me in my personal matters such as paying bills, booking tickets, and sometimes solving my family problems with my wife." The use of virtual assistants contributed to reducing the pressures and tensions that the writer was exposed to. Since every time Tim gets nervous, he reminds himself that Hani is taking care of his work and that she will do her job well. To remember, hiring virtual assistants to do your routine work helps you save effort and earn money, and also contributes to reducing stress and work pressures.